Are you sick of renting or being stuck in a small apartment while you're trying to work from home? Or subsequently, have you decided that your family has outgrown its space and you need to look for a bigger home? Well, if you're thinking on any of those subjects and you're thinking about you might need to educate yourself on how to buy a home, I would like to invite you to come to my online virtual buyer workshop on Tuesday, October 20th at 6:30 p.m. right here on Zoom. It's going to be a great night, very informational, very Q&A, not lecture style whatsoever. We're going to talk through how to choose an agent and a lender, what you need to do to qualify for a mortgage. We're going to talk about credit scores, the process of lending and what you need. We're going to go over different loan types. We're also going to talk a lot about market data and what's happening in the market right now. And we're going to talk a lot about how to shop safely for a home during a pandemic and COVID and what that all means. Because it is possible and it is happening. And if you're thinking that you need more space or you need different space, now might be the time to start putting your ducks in a row and educate yourself, whether you're thinking of making a move before the end of this year or in early 2021. So I would encourage you to sign up for my workshop. Again, it'll be here on Zoom, 6:30, Tuesday, October 20th. I really hope to see you there. And if for some reason you're unable to make it, but would be curious about the information, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I'd be happy to set up a one-on-one consult with you. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you on the 20th.